Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview from BSN, this NO Explode pre-workout, what it tastes like, the mixability, and why it is something that for the last 20 years, it's about time I give a review. So this pre-workout just happened to be the Fruit Punch classic flavor from old BSN. And this version does come with the old 275 milligrams of caffeine. And one thing to note, on the ingredient label is their shot composite, whatever that means, DMAE, from a pre-workout stimulant. Can't go wrong with that, let me tell you. From a powdery standpoint, kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. If you've never had this product, it's just a very, very, very fine powder, almost like I mean, it's very light. One thing about this, and I don't know what causes it when it's mixing, it's almost like it foams, and it, to me, adds to the overall flavor profile, no matter what flavor you have. But this is so good. Mixes really well. I think that it's like I don't know what does that. I'm not what sure in there does that, but it mixes, I mean, real good. I mean, you don't need to put it in the shaker cup. It doesn't settle. You can pretty much see there it's saturated quite nicely. And I mean, I've never gone wrong with any flavor by BSN, but this Fruit Punch is excelente, to say the least. And if you're, knowing you got about in this container from a serving standpoint, you just, you might want to go a little bit heavy, a little bit light as far as the old scoop, knowing that 275 is right at that scoop level. But the taste, I used this yesterday. I've been using it for 20 years. Can't go wrong from a pre-workout standpoint. Expectation is definitely focus, definitely alertness. You're definitely going to get the pump action if that's something that's important to you. And just all around solid pre-workout. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.